Hi. So I have received a request about EasySubli and how to remove it without using some sort of masking product. So I have this image here, and it's just 3 pieces. So I'm going to show you how I peel it. Just peel it right off. So I've already contour cut this with my Cricut, but if you wanted to print a whole design, full page, same thing, you just peel it up like how I'm about to do this. So I'm doing a Schitt's Creek shirt. So see this cheese? It's just as simple as that. Very gently so you don't stretch the vinyl. You just peel it up. See, this one might be a little more tricky because of this space right here, but I'm just going to do it nice and slowly. And there you have it. So I've peeled these up, easy cheesy lemon squeezing. And I have my 3 pieces here. So now let's throw it onto the shirt. So I have my ugly Christmas sweater here that I'm going to put this onto. If anybody's a fan of Schitt's Creek, you know what this is. Can you see it? You just fold it in. Okay, so, oh, I thought I lost the cheese. Okay, so I just take my image, place it where I want. Let me get out of the way for you. Sorry. So I have my image where I want it. No. I have a piece of HTV transfer tape that I'm just going to lay over it as kind of my blowout paper, I guess. But I'm trying to leave room for the cheese at the bottom. Okay. So when I press it, it doesn't get on my platen. Then I'm just going to put the cheese pieces on. Cheese outward. One cheese. Kind of angle it. 2 cheeses. And just going to stick this on to protect it. So I have my heat press set to 315 for 15 seconds. Pretty firm pressure. And we'll watch the magic happen. I love doing EasySubli to see how the colors just completely come alive when you press it. Let's see how we do. There you go. So I'm going to do one final press on this. Set it a little bit firmer to make sure everything is adhered really well. Oh, I seem to have lost a little. Where did this come from? Who's missing an antler? Now I increase my pressure just by a turn or two, and that's going to really adhere the vinyl to the shirt, so it won't peel or come off in the wash. And there we go. And that's the final product. So that was just really a tutorial. I mean, I've done an EasySubli video. This was just a tutorial about peeling it off of the paper without using the transfer tape. All right, so I hope this helped you.